In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate Slack in project management using Slack. Slack offers a suite of work management and productivity tools, making it a great resource for managing your project timelines effectively. Now let's get started. First, head over to the Slack website, which is a hub for work management tools. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in with Google. Go ahead and click on that. This will streamline your login process if you use Google for your work email, saving you some valuable time. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Slack dashboard. This is where the magic happens. From here, you want to look for the Add Apps button. Why add apps? Because integrating project management tools into Slack helps you centralize your workflow, making it easier to track your project's progress without needing to switch between multiple platforms. Once you've clicked on Add Apps, look for Asana. Asana is a powerful project management tool that complements Slack very well. It's designed to keep teams organized and on schedule, so when you see the Asana app, go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll see an option to install Asana. Click on Install. This integration allows you to manage tasks within your project seamlessly. It's more than just about having Asana in Slack, it's about utilizing Slack as a command center for your entire project. Once the installation is complete, there's one more step. You need to click Add to Slack. This final step ensures that Asana's capabilities are fully available within your Slack workspace. What this means for you and your team is a more streamlined communication process where task updates and messages are centralized, reducing the risk of miscommunication or tasks falling through the cracks. As you set this up, remember that the aim is to maximize your project management efficiency when all tools are integrated and information is centralized. Calculating Slack, essentially the amount of time you can delay a task without delaying the project, is much easier. With everything accessible from one platform, you can swiftly identify which tasks are critical and require immediate attention and which have some wiggle room. And there you have it, a simple, seamless way to integrate Asana into your Slack environment. I hope this makes your project management endeavors a bit more streamlined and effective. Thanks for joining me today, and see you next time for more tips and tricks.